Join me as I take on the challenge of rebuilding my confidence after experiencing narcissistic abuse. Let's see how far I can go. Rebuilding confidence after narcissistic abuse is a journey that requires patience, self-compassion, and a willingness to confront the darkest corners of our minds. It's a journey that's not for the faint of heart, but one that's essential for healing and self-empowerment. Narcissistic abuse can be incredibly damaging to our self-worth, leaving us feeling worthless, insignificant, and powerless. The constant gaslighting, manipulation, and emotional exploitation can make us question our own sanity and judgment. It's no wonder that many survivors of narcissistic abuse struggle to regain their confidence, often feeling like they're walking on eggshells, never knowing when the next blow will come. The psychological impact of narcissistic abuse can be profound, leading to feelings of anxiety, depression, and PTSD. It can make us feel like we're stuck in a never-ending cycle of self-doubt and fear, unsure of how to escape the toxic patterns of thinking and behavior that were ingrained in us during the abuse. And even when we do manage to break free, the scars can linger, making it difficult to trust ourselves and others. But the good news is that it's possible to heal, to rebuild our confidence, and to emerge stronger and wiser on the other side. It's not easy, but it is possible, and it starts with acknowledging the abuse, accepting our feelings, and seeking help. So, how do we rebuild our confidence after narcissistic abuse? The first step is to take responsibility for our own healing. This means being honest with ourselves about the abuse, acknowledging the ways in which it has affected us, and seeking support from friends, family, or professionals. It means being kind to ourselves, practicing self-care, and taking time to reflect on our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Another crucial step is setting boundaries. Narcissists often exploit our kindness and empathy, so it's essential to learn how to say no, set limits, and prioritize our own needs. This can be incredibly challenging, especially if we're used to people-pleasing or avoiding conflict. But it's a vital part of rebuilding our confidence and reclaiming our power. Seeking support is also essential. This can come in the form of therapy, support groups, or online communities. Surrounding ourselves with people who understand and validate our experiences can be incredibly empowering, helping us to feel seen, heard, and understood. One powerful technique that can help us rebuild our confidence is affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that can help rewire our brains, replacing negative self-talk with empowering beliefs. They can be as simple as, I am worthy, I am enough, or I am strong. Repeating these affirmations daily can help us shift our mindset, build our confidence, and develop a more positive self-image. Visualizations can also be incredibly powerful. By imagining ourselves in scenarios where we feel confident, assertive, and powerful, we can begin to rewire our brains and build our self-belief. This can be as simple as visualizing ourselves standing up to our abuser, setting boundaries, or achieving our goals.